Thanks for the invitation. My background is, as you say, I've sort of 20 years of continuous processing in big pharma. And whenever I go to a conference, I see the GSK rig put up as an example of what can be done, and that was a project that was very close to me because I led that, and we could have done that 20 years earlier. There was nothing really stopping us. There was perhaps some challenges with technology, but there wasn't really any reason why that couldn't have been done earlier. And really, one of the messages about the adoption of new technology that I'm very interested in is how to manage change and how to lead that. Because the technology can be, the science can be interesting and challenging, but it's often far easier to develop a process than it is to implement it. Yeah, and lots of big companies maybe struggle with implementation. And now I've been working, as an independent consultant with different companies from the very large down to the very small. So I have a real mixture in my client portfolio from the largest multinationals down to the smallest generics in the US, in Europe, in Asia, and Japan, India. I've got to see lots of things, and there are lots of common themes with the skills gap. Where people don't necessarily understand what they don't know, which is kind of where I'm helping them out. But I'll be happy to talk about those aspects and also touch on the regulatory piece of ICH-Q13, because that's something that's pretty interesting, and how we help translate that.